This is a Century Communities Plan Bradberry. It's 2,725 square feet. This is a big house. And it's one story. And this lot is huge. Let's go inside and take a look. Wow. So there's a 10-foot ceiling plate to there, and then with the tray, it's 11. It's a huge study. Then over here, big room. Bathroom, and the tile goes all the way up with a linen closet. Bedroom 2. Dining area. Pantry 1. And the refrigerator will go here. Look at this. You can put a lot of stools around here. Very nice built-in cooktop. It's gonna have a vent. Stainless steel appliances looking good. I like this big sink. Here's another pantry. This is the garage. Off the garage, you got a closet. Utility room. Two-car garage. Sprinkler system, tankless water heater, garage door opener. All that stuff is here. It's a huge living area. But over here, you have your own ensuite with a big walk-in closet. Look at that. And a full bathroom. And it goes all the way up to the top. Then we'll cross and we'll go over to the primary bedroom. Wow, this is big. It's got a nice tray too. That's really nice. Linen closet, looks good. Shower has a big seat. Toilet has a door. And here's the master closet. And then this yard is probably one of the biggest I've seen. It's incredible for a one-story home, but check this out. I mean, that is huge. That's the side. Here's the back. No rear neighbor there. I mean, that's impressive. Okay. So there you have it. Century Communities Plan Bradberry. 4-bedroom with a study. 2,700 and change square feet. Huge yard. If you have any questions about it, let me know.